Hello, everyone. I'm Rafat, and I'm joined today by my friend Mim. We are so happy to have you here for this deep dive into English conversation. Today, we're talking about something we all face, big moments and the pressure that comes with them.
That's right, Rafat. Learning vocabulary is one thing, but knowing how to speak English fluently means understanding the emotions behind the words. We're going to use a story about a basketball game to show you how it works.
Exactly. Let's start with our first conversation. Mim and I are going to act this out. Imagine we are at a gym, getting ready for a big tournament.
Hey, Rafat, are you excited for the City Sports Festival this weekend?
I am, Mim, but to be honest, I'm also pretty nervous.
I get that. Your team has been working so hard for this basketball game, right?
Yeah, we really want to win this year. The final game is going to be the one that counts.
Okay, let's pause there. Did you notice how I said I was nervous? In English, when we have a big goal, it's normal to feel a bit of pressure. Mim, how would you describe that word to our viewers?
Well, pressure is that heavy feeling. It's like a weight on your shoulders because something is very important. If you want to master English speaking in 30 days, you might feel some pressure to study every day.
Great example. Now let's get back to the conversation.
I heard the other teams are really strong this year. Do you think you guys have a good chance?
Maybe, honestly, this final game will make or break our season.
Wow, that sounds intense.
It is. If we win, we finish in first place. If we lose, all our hard work feels like it was for nothing.
Let's look at that phrase Rafat just used, make or break. This is a classic English idiom. It means a situation is so important that it will either result in total success or total failure. There is no middle ground.
Right. For example, a big exam can make or break your chance to get into a good university. Now, Mim, let's finish our talk. Did you guys train a lot?
Yes, we practiced every single evening after work. We worked on passing, shooting, and how to talk to each other on the court.
That's the way to do it. Teamwork is everything. Are you ready for the pressure of the crowd?
I think so. When I'm playing, I just try to stay focused and enjoy the game.
Good plan. I'll actually come and watch you play this Saturday.
Really? That means a lot to me, Mim. I hope we make you proud.
To the audience, our third important phrase there was, that means a lot. We say this when we want to tell someone we really appreciate what they're doing. It's more than just saying thank you. It shows that their support makes us feel happy or respected.
Now, let's spend some time practicing. I want everyone watching to repeat these sentences out loud with us. Don't be shy. Speaking out loud is the fastest way to get comfortable.
Let's practice make or break. Repeat after me. This game will make or break our season.
Now let's try pressure. Repeat after me. He feels a lot of pressure before the big test.
And finally, that means a lot. Repeat after me. Your support means a lot to me.
Great job. Now, Rafat, let's break down the conversation again. But this time, let's talk about the shadowing technique.
Shadowing is simple. You listen to a native speaker and try to say the words at the same time they do. It helps your rhythm and your accent.
You guys are doing amazing. Remember, the key to speaking like a pro isn't just knowing the words, it's the repetition.
Exactly. You don't need to learn 1,000 words today. You just need to master these few and feel the confidence when you say them.
Before we wrap up, let's do a quick quiz. I'll give you a scenario, and you tell me which phrase fits best.
Scenario 1. Your friend comes to your graduation ceremony, even though they are very busy. What do you say to them? That's right. That means a lot.
Scenario 2. You have one last match to play. If you win, you get the gold medal. If you lose, you get nothing. What kind of situation is this? Correct. It's a make or break situation.
You guys have really nailed it today.
I am so proud of the progress you've made in this lesson. If you found this helpful and you want to keep improving your English with us, please hit that like button right now. It really helps us reach more students just like you.
And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss a lesson. We have so much more coming your way to help you become a confident speaker.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today on Spoken English Imran. Keep practicing, stay confident, and we will see you in the next video. Happy learning!